My boy, oh. Hot ones experience.
I just went straight to 10. I fucked up.
Yep.
I didn't even get a warning. See, 8 or 9 would have been the warning.
No, you didn't. I'm gonna be real with you. You didn't even want to take 9.
Okay.
Well, you take your time. I want to see what happened here.
Oh, yo. We ain't playing.
I can get that one, cuz.
Oh, go ahead.
You can put your hot sauce all over that one.
Now we got wholeheartedly big old eating this damn.
This is number 10, right?
Show these folks which one you getting.
Oh, yeah, huh? That's 9. What number 10?
But put 9 down. Them boys said put 10.
Right there, Apollo. Right there.
Apollo, yeah.
Let me live it short. Show that hoe.
Now you gonna know if it's hot or not if old goddamn tell you it's hot. Cause he eat
Bro, we told you it's hot.
Damn.
Yo.
Now, you thought we were bulls?
shit.
Yeah, Pooh. Nah, Pooh.
He going first.
Come on, man. Put it on there. We're going to same time.
Same time. Same time. You go first and I do mine.
Man, no.
Nah, you see how these folks tripping at?
I ain't gonna lie about it.
Yeah.
How that shit.
Oh, yeah. You good.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna ask y'all some questions, man.
You ain't, oh, I ain't going to be able to ask no question.
Yes, you are.
My Matt Donald finna pull up.
Oh, yeah.
They finna fuck my whole mood up. I'll order a spicy chicken sandwich.
All right, man. Introduce yourself,
I
man.
don't ask the spices you better eat though.
I'm the big old, you know what I'm saying? Finna eat this shit and fuck my whole mood up. Oh,
What's your name, man? Talk to these folks.
I'm the nigga that don't want to do it.
man, come on, man. You ready? We just gonna get it over with. You need to get the water ready first.
What the fuck I need water for?
All right, let's go.
All right.
1, 2.
All right, Pooh got to take another bite. He ain't take no spice on that bit. All the,
He didn't even bite the
all the
motherfucker.
sauce. That nigga still got all the sauce.
He
on that
didn't.
bitch.
No.
Man, wait,
Look at
cuz.
that man.
Y'all talking about me. Look at this nigga. Look at
No, because you bit the edge of that bitch. He didn't. No, he bit the edge of
He
it,
just
man.
took the whole thing in him off.
Oh, he did?
Talk shit. Oh, you.
Damn, oh, they be good, ain't it?
Yeah, what else talk here?
Oh man.
That bitch fat.
That bitch is not fat.
That bitch fat. There we go.
You straight, bro?
How you feel, bro?
They be nasty.
That boy, that shit must be hot. They got him in a praying position. God damn.
Now look, we went through 10 on back to back. So it compounded.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew he fucked up.
Yes, man, your experience being part of the wholehearted family,
Did I
man.
tell you I'm gonna be able to answer no questions?
I'm gonna ask y'all some questions, man.
You ain't, I ain't gonna be able to answer no questions.
Yes, you are. It's not how the part of the game work, man. How so? What's your
water.
Look at that man. Wholehearted.
Hey, bring me one, cuz. Hey.
Look at these folks, man. These boys
try
done
me
drop to their knee. They boys done
Dang,
drop to their
boy.
knee, man.
What? Who in the sink?
Both of them. Both of them.
I gotta get you a water.
Look.
The only one that ain't had no water.
Hey, give me this Eichel. Give me this Eichel. Give me this Eichel. Give me the Eichel. Hey, nigga. Give me one.
Yeah, oh, it's only 2.
Oh man.
Wow.
Man, ain't no way y'all just say they ain't telling no thing, cuz.
Alright.
Oh shit. I'm crying.
Y'all thought we were bullshit.
But ain't no way y'all just say they ain't telling no thing, cuz.
Yes, sir.
Boy, that bitch hit when you stop eating it.
I told you that big. That big got it.
It was good at first.
At first.
Oh man.
The wing was good.
Yeah, it was fine.
Nigga say, bitch, you went through all 10 of them.
It is what it is, man.
Yeah, they good for it.
We break down very. Breathe.
Oh my god.
Yo.
That shit ain't working for her.
Fuck that black chip challenge.
You don't want to do it no more?
No, hell no.
Come on, man. You didn't even do the whole thing like this time.
You can have it.
You flaked out on me. Come on, bro.
Man, ain't no way that shit will be that hot, Cole.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell them come do it. You want some? Damn. Oh. God.
You coming out the back end now.
That's crazy.
That man, though.
I'm gonna have to get me a camera, bro. Oh, God. I need these bitches on the trip. My boy, oh. Hot Ones experience.
I just went straight to 10. I fucked up.
Yep.
I didn't even get a warning. See, 8 or 9 would have been the warning.
No, you didn't. I'm gonna be real with you. You didn't even want to take 9.
Okay, 7.
Hey, man. You got to be out your damn mind.
Oh God.
Hey, man. We up here, man. This just a ruthless night, man. This what we do, man. We kick it, have a good time, but I can't wait to see this footage. Oh, my God.
I got my McDonald's.
Then the brother got McDonald's.
No, I'm sorry. I already got the spicy sandwich. I fucked up. I'm sorry. I fucked up. Excuse me.
Boy, y'all is funny as hell.
So, like I said,
The face of regret.
he never wanted to do it.
That bitch got real.
Why the fuck your McDonald's bag so big?
Because they put the bag inside the bag.
Let me see the rest of it. Boy got Christmas gifts. Oh, he ordered a lot of shit too. I bet he ordered a lot of shit.
Man, 2 spicy chicken deluxe sandwiches as a fry.
Oh.
I mean, that is a lot for a regular person.
I'm a regular person.
You the
I mean, I'm not a regular person. Yeah.
You let it burn.
Ooh, I got tea. Thank you.
Don't burn me. What they been doing?
Hey, my son said y'all in here over exaggerating, man.
Oh, yeah. Come on in,
Right
man.
here, right in the corner with his burning on.
How many do you want to take? Just one?
Y'all got some more chicken up
Just
there?
one?
There you go. Look, my son is
told
finna
the
get in here on there.
Hold on. I got you.
You
I
got
got
wing
you.
in it though?
I got you, Playboy. Yeah.
And they got a wing for him.
Hold on, come here. We can put on some fries. You doing it too?
And these boys,
Oh, yeah.
These boys say they represent the new generation, man.
Come here. Get with the sauce in.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, come on, if I can get y'all on this camera.
No, you get them on because the light better than y'all.
Yeah. Go on over there, young player.
It's the weekend.
Yeah.
Hey, the boy, hey, look.
What you been giving a fryer?
Y'all got some milk?
I think we do.
You don't need no
Yeah,
milk.
they gonna need
Nah. They grown. These some grown men right
These
here.
are grown men, right? They digging me, man.
Don't hook them up.
Hey,
What is something?
Make sure they good.
Don't put a lot.
Yeah, come here.
This man said don't put a lot. Go. Don't
I
put
ain't
it out
gonna
on
put a
the
lot.
man.
I ain't gonna put a lot.
I ain't trying to be in the hospital.
All right. That's good enough.
Man, we gotta make sure we get on the fry good. Okay.
It's on now.
No.
Now grab all them fries and put them in your mouth.
Hold on. You gotta do it for the camera.
Yeah, hold on.
Let both over there.
Go ahead, Rico. Let them pull it.
Let's
Kick
see.
the ball.
Let's see.
These boys eat everything. It's my second oldest over there. Look at that. Taking it like a champ.
Get real.
Eat it like a
And I'm in your ear like that cause I know what it finna do, cuz. That shit finna get real, cuz.
Rico, take it like a champ. Look at it.
Ain't no champion in this.
It's good while you eating it.
That
Once
boy
you
finna
stop.
get so red right now.
Yeah, wash your hands. Don't touch your face.
Oh, man. He said don't touch your face.
I don't care how about that hard stuff you trying to do right now. That finna change. Look at he finna change.
Put his hand on his hip.
I'm good. It's not high.
Come back.
It's not high.
Come back this way. What you doing?
Okay, I'm right. Okay.
I know it hot. I don't know why you standing there like that, girl.
Oh, you want some more?
Hold on.
You want some more?
Don't get no more now. Don't get no more. He don't want no more. Don't get no more.
You want some more?
See, he had looking more young. You coming out to the other
How you feel right now?
I get it.
Yeah.
How you feel, man?
I'm straight right now.
That boy on a different time, boy.
Yeah, he ain't even turn red, so he good.
He over
He
here.
about to, that nigga about to attain asthma. That nigga finna have an asthma attack.
Oh man.
It'll be hot.
I told y'all it was gonna be hot now.
You want some water?
That boy finna take that bun off in a minute.
Juice start falling from it.
Rico, come back now. Oh, you gonna get Dre some? Oh my god.
Hey, Zay Cozy, man down.
Yeah, I do need something to drink. Yeah, I do need something. You do too, though. Why you go? Why you know about the life? Oh my
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't creep up on him. Man.
I think Rico sneaked his past the tongue.
See, Rico had a little more on here too, though.
That boy slow.
Alright, get the camera. Hey, you did none of those. I know I eat.
You want an ice cube?
Yeah, I do need some.
Oh, look at your ice cube.
I ain't never seen him. Oh,
Get the ice cube out here. Break that whole out of there.
That ain't gonna make it work. I need some peanut butter.
That boy said I need some peanut butter.
you cold shit.
No, they ain't gonna work.
That boy ran crazy.
Man, he throwing me out right now. You
want some more?
Oh yeah, Rico. I did that, man. Rico. Yeah, Rico.
He ain't even turned
That boy
red.
ain't human, boy. What wrong with you, man?
You
got
got
more than him. He over there hurt.
it's like it just burned for nothing. Like it just burned.
Damn, y'all went through all 10. That boy sinus ain't running.
The first five.
You gotta blow your nose.
First
now.
five,
good. The first five good.
The first five.
Oh yeah.
I go buy the first five.
Crazy
man, you the first five.
I mean, it tingles a little bit.
That man said
Yeah,
tingle a little bit.
Tingle.
What the hell?
I'm like,
Damn.
What's my
There, you alright?
What's more?
not now.
That boy stuck on the wall, boy.
slowly turning red, but
That upper lip red as hell.
You see that? I touched with my lip.
he over there.
Boy, he hurt. Hey, you might want to get you an ice cube or something.
That
That's not
nigga,
gonna make it better.
he remember the day he was born now.
Hey, I'm not gonna tell you, bro. Drink you some water, bro.
It's gonna make it worse.
I ain't drink no water. I let that shit run over my tongue.
Sit there and suffer.
Oh, you ran the water over your
I
tongue?
just ran it over my tongue. He gone down. He gone.
I handled it better.
Oh, yeah, he gone. Man down.
What good, Pepper?
Oh, come on. I got you too. I got you too, girl.
Got something for you, Playboy.
I'm a cheer for him.
Yo, Trey.
What's up with you?
Dre?
Man, I'm in here killing myself, but this shit is hilarious. He just went through the whole 10 plates.
So you got it.
What you doing with the sauce?
Don't worry. Don't worry.
Tell the heels and heels.
Hey, Dre. Come on, try it. Come on, Dre.
That's the first one.
Oh, somebody gonna eat that.
That's just the first one.
Ooh. Hey, Rico. They made no for you, man.
That's for Drake.
Yo.
Come on, Dre.
Hey, Drake. Hey.
Ain't nobody trying to
You
take
want
that
to get
from
Hey, I got chicken. Chicken, you want to put some on some chicken?
What crazy shit y'all got me on, man?
Right here, man.
Oh,
we just-
nah.
Hey,
You got to grab all those and just taste it.
I had a big ass nugget and I drowned that bitch. Mistake.
You weird.
Mistake.
That's why I say you weird. That's why.
King,
you're spicy.
Nice little line on it.
Oh, shit. Oh. Your son dropped his ice cube.
Yeah, you feel it though. I feel it when I first tasted it.
You get your fade, player.
Yeah, turn around.
Turn around for the camera.
You gotta
No, we
chill.
gonna give you a little
Chill.
minute. Just
Yeah, wait till you
for a
swallow.
little second.
It don't burn while you eating. It burn when you
Oh,
stop.
my phone just damn died. Oh, man. Damn.
Oh, man.
That's it?
Okay. Now wait about.
Oh yeah, do the thing
No,
then.
I
Do the thing.
think you got the light skinned people, man. It don't fuck with them, man.
Nigga, I'm the one that always eat hot shit in here.
Yeah, I just
Yeah,
thought.
he started thudding and shit. He couldn't even get the word out.
Yeah.
One more time. Do it one more time.
What, hot shit?
You got to suck that tongue.
He just went.
Jerry had a couple fries. He about dead. He done ran
You let that nigga eat it?
Yeah, he the one. Yeah, we'll try. Him and Rico had it. You and Rico the only two light
He
skinned.
thought we were trying.
Ain't nobody fucked up. Y'all good. Everybody else done got fucked up.
Sweating a little bit over there, antidote player. Your nose getting a little shiny.
Hey, I shut the fuck out.
Well, sweat.
Nah, I ain't sweating. I ain't gonna hold it, but nah.
Yeah.
Not that crazy.
That shit spicy when you breathe.
It's like I said, it's not that crazy. It's hot, yeah, but it ain't that crazy.
Hey, he had to clear his throat just then.
Yeah.
Alright, shut the fuck up. Oh, come on. No, you can't eat it.
What?
Come back.
Come back what?
Come back. Ooh.
That nigga-
He gonna go outside.
Man, that shit hot, good.
Yes, sir.
Y'all see the other one missing on.
That motherfucker got
can't
hungry.
Eating the frozen yogurt.
Yeah.
That's probably better for
That's smart.
No, I ain't even talking about him. I'm talking about the other one.
Oh, Rico?
See, he gone on.
That boy got swamped over there. God.
He good?
Yeah, he good.
You gotta get something to drink real quick.
Hey, fuck you.
That boy gotta get something to drink real quick. That boy don't walk out that door. That boy say it's too hot in the high.
He outside with it.
God
Drano went
damn.
outside. He went outside to drink a cold drink.
Yeah, he hot. He sweating like a motherfucker.
He drinking a drink. He fucked up because that carbonation gonna eat through that tongue.
Ooh.
He spit it out.
Yeah.
Go get him. He spit it out. He spit it out.
You good, bro?
Hey, get the fuck away from me. Yeah, he can't come out here.
He walking in the rain. Oh yeah, boy, he hot.
Hey, that shit kicked in the last minute. I told you.
Damn, my phone.
That shit kicked in the last fucking minute.
Yes, sir.
Fuck y'all got me eating in that bitch.
The hot ones
the
challenge.
hot one challenge. Just did all 10 of them.
Yeah, it's 10 sauces. 1 through 10. You had got the last one, the hottest
Oh,
one.
y'all some shit. You did it.
I did all 10 on them.
Everybody did the last one, but we did all 10 of them.
Oh, I'm hot. Let me send that market down.
Look, man, it ain't even all that.
Damn, baby, you all right?
No, not give Kiki one.
No, hell no. Man, we kill her ass. We get us on this team.
Alright.
Boy.
Kiki beat it.
No, hell, she just gonna check on out. Just lay on down, just go peaceful.
You want to try one fry?
Nah, I'm good, dog.
You know better.
Hell yeah, but I take all kind of medicine. I take this shit. Hell no. CEO be dead where everybody playing be fucked up. Damn.
You want you one harder? One of those.
Well, that gonna be.
I've been trying to find one, cuz.
Yeah, me
Don't
too.
care. I've been trying to find one.
Sheesh.
I got a